Are you tired of chaotic workflows and teams unclear on their roles? This is a common issue many organizations face. Introducing Process Analysis, your solution for operational clarity, consistency, and accountability. Step-by-step processes eliminate guesswork, empowering your team to execute confidently. Documented systems replicate success and enhance quality control. Centralized SOPs foster collaboration and visibility across teams. What sets process analysis apart? It helps you refine operations continually, reducing errors and improving accountability. Ready to transform your organization? Start documenting your processes today with tools like Trainual. Go from guessing to executing with confidence.